Alrighty, good times Airboats. Here's one of your engines. Your description is combinations. Got a set of our cast LS heads. Got the Holley manifold on it. Holley carburetor. All ignition is controlled by the MSD setup. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the Holley front end on front of it. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,600, 464 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 529, peak horsepower 560, rated 570, so front end's on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull a pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you some things. See green, you find the single set credit cards, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag, it'll have an engine number and some other specs. That number is the easiest way for us to look up anything for you. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.